it's Mark and Jamie. I'd like to say we're camping, but we're not. But second best, we are kayaking and fishing on the Rock River.
Actually not the Rock River because we're in somebody's backyard.
Okay, yeah. The Rock River's flooded, so we took the kayaks out and we are floating around in people's flooded backyards.
We'll show you a little bit of that.
Yeah, look around, look around. This is how bad it's flooded. Anyway, we saw some big catfish and some big carp, and we're gonna fish on our kayaks because we weren't catching anything from shore. We're at my daughter's in East Moline, and we were supposed to go camping, but the rain was horrible. Oh my gosh, a motorboat. Look, a motorboat in someone's flooded backyard.
Oh, here it comes.
That's hilarious. Anyway, we'll update you on what we see.
Yeah, the campground we wanted to go to is completely flooded out.
Completely underwater. It was at Lundine's from one of our former videos.
Yep.
Anyway, we're making the best of it, and we saw the grandkids, and now we're taking a break. Out.
Just came up so quick, they just couldn't get all of the campers out of here. There's other debris in this area, trucks and vans, but when the water's not here, it's a cool place to camp for this private campground.
It's Mark and Jamie, and we feel like we're in the bayou. We're actually in the flooded Rock River, like kayaking in people's backyards, right?
Yeah. And then you see stuff like this, somebody's deck that floated away.
I mean, it's sad, but it's kind of cool too. Sun-filtered trees. And
Eerie. Oh, there's a van underwater up there.
A van, a camper underwater, decks underwater.
There's a big area here with a private campground. There's probably 30 or 40 campers there during the season, but
it's underwater.
Yeah, some of the stuff they got out in time, and other stuff they just couldn't.
So we're gonna try and catch some big catfish and some carp.
Or just a fish.
A fish. Any fish.
Any fish.
Amen.
Put something on the hook.
Peace out.
Out. For the destruction, submerged van. There's a dock. For some reason the canoe is still upright. And another dock. Current on the Rock River is really strong, even in this flooded area. The main channel is out there, beyond the trees. You might be able to see how strong it is. Swing sets and barbecue grills. Fun for another day. Okay, so this is Lundine's. As you can see, it is all underwater. This little tree stump here and the big tree there is where we camped several weeks ago. So, gotta wait for this water to come down, come back to this great little campground right on the Rock River. All right, here's Jamie trying to kayak across a road. I guess not. Not deep enough, huh?
There's fish.
You see fish over there?
My line's still out.
Okay, this is me kayaking across the road. There's the divider. I did it. Across the road somehow. You had one on. I saw it.
Nobody's gonna believe it.
How big was it?
Big, and I lost it.
It was at least a foot long.
Let's do it again.
All
I'm
right.
not leaving until I get one in.
All right. He stole your hook and everything.
Bait me.
There it is, baby. Go to the side. Go to the side. Awesome.
Woohoo!
What the hell is it?
I don't know.
Is that a smallmouth?
I have. It looks like a smallmouth.
Here, stand to the sun. Stand facing me. Good job, baby. You did it. It only took 8 hours.
Good-sized fish.
Look at me. Beautiful. Hold on, I'm gonna go again. Number 2. Woohoo! Good job, baby.